Welcome. If you're looking to freshen up your Roblox experience by changing your display name, you've come to the right place. Today, I'll guide you through the updated steps to change your display name on your Android device. It's super easy, so let's dive right in. First, start by opening the Roblox app on your Android device. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main screen filled with exciting games and features. Look for the three dots located at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on those to open the menu. Now that you have the menu open, scroll down until you find the Settings option. Go ahead and select that. You'll be taken to a new menu where you can adjust various account settings. In the Settings menu, look for Account Info and tap on it. This section contains all your account details, including your current display name. To change it, look for the pencil and paper icon next to your current display name and tap on it. This will open a new field where you can enter your new desired display name. Be creative, but remember to keep it appropriate since Roblox has community guidelines that must be followed. Once you've entered your new display name, don't forget to tap Save to apply your changes. Just like that, you've successfully updated your display name. Thanks for following along. Now go ahead and enjoy your new identity in the Roblox universe. Happy gaming!